G'day guys, it's Vulcan Campman here, how's it going? So today I'm heading up to Brisbane to go on this charity ride with a mob called BMad, Bikers Making a Difference, and they do a lot of charity rides for, you know, to help out like homeless people and people that are in need and people doing it tough and, you know, that sort of thing, like a charity relief group sort of thing. So they're having their annual ride on today, where they go out and help homeless people and hand out, you know, blankets and socks and cash donations and stuff like that. So that's what I'm heading up to be a part of, because you know, we take everything for granted, you know, electricity, heating, televisions, you know, video games, entertainment, telephones, etc. Whereas homeless people, they're lucky to have any of that. You know, most of the time they don't have any of that. So, you know, it just goes to show that, you know, if you've got the heart for it, then you know, you should really go to these do more of these charity runs and you know, help people out that are in need, because, you know, even though you're only doing a little bit, it goes a long way in the end. So I encourage you guys to get out there, and if you're riding around and you see someone who looks like they could, you know, looks like that they're, you know, struggling a little bit, you know, even if you just go over and say g'day, and, you know, something like that will brighten up their day, you know. So anyway, so I'm on my way to meet up at Joe's Diner in Eagle Farm, I think it is. I have to get fuel on the way because I'm a little bit low, but anyway, I'm riding up there to meet up with this group and more or less just do my contribution basically. So anyway, I'll see you guys there in a little bit. Wow. That's a lot of bikes. Anyway guys, so this is the BMad annual charity run. As you can see, there are I'm not going to swear, there are a lot of bikes here. There are easily a couple of hundred, easily. In case you haven't noticed, there's another Vulcan right next to me. So yeah, Vulcan Campman's doing something good today. Doing a good deed, and running over that manhole cover was not one of them. Yeah, so we're on our way up to Daybra, I think. We're just going to ride together in one big group, and yeah, we're going to I think we're meeting up at this parking lot or something behind a bakery, I think. And yeah, then we're just going to meet up there and give out blankets and everything to the homeless, which is a good deed. Anyway, so enjoy the ride guys, and yeah, let's do it. we are just pulling into a Daybrew, guys. As far as I know, from what I heard at the ride briefing, there's going to be some activities there for us. There's a tug of war, there's, you know, like sack racing and, you know, stuff like that, and stalls and auctions and stuff like that. So it'll be a pretty good day. From what I heard, the lots of homeless people, when they go out and about to, you know, go and do their thing, and they leave all their blankets at their little hideout wherever they are, then the council, the Heartless Council, comes over and takes all their blankets. So when they come back to their little camping spot, they've lost all their blankets. And especially in wintertime, if it's cold, I mean, you can understand how, you know, heartless that is, like how broken they would feel. So, you know, the council does that. I mean, really, that's pretty heartless. So, the things that BMad does is, you know, I take my hat off to them, honestly. I bow down to them because, you know, they do a lot of these charity runs, and they help people out that are in need, and, you know, the stuff that they do is just marvelous, you know. I do need fuel, but yeah. So yeah, we're just rolling in, making a little bit of noise. A few people are tooting their horns, some people are revving their engines. Me. Yeah, the engine's louder than the horns, so I'm just going to rev the engine. Right there will do me. All right. Wow. Wow, that is awesome. That's so cool. Well, here we are, guys. Alright, so just on my way home now from the charity ride with BMad. I think it went very well. They got a pretty decent rollout, and everyone was asked to you know, donate, you know, some socks and some blankets and stuff like that, and it's going to a good cause. So I'm pleased to be a part of it. If you guys want to check, if you guys want more information about BMad, I'll leave a link in the description to their Facebook page and their website and everything. You guys can check them out, and maybe even make a donation if you want to. It's going to a good cause. So what do you got? Okay, just turning right. Cool. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, copper. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know Leave a comment down in the I can't talk now. Leave a comment down in the comment box. Tell me what you think of it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. So thanks for sticking around. Ride safe. Cheers.